Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burrito crispy. First, choose a large, fresh tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter, to ensure easy and secure wrapping. Next, fill your burrito with your favorite ingredients, making sure to leave about 1 inch of space around the edges. Then, fold the sides inward and roll it tightly from the bottom up, creating a compact, well-sealed package. This tight roll is crucial for an even crisp. For a classic crispy finish, pan frying is an excellent choice. Begin by heating a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter, ensuring it coats the pan evenly. Carefully place your tightly rolled burrito seam side down into the hot pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful, golden brown and crispy texture all around. This method delivers a satisfying crunch. If you prefer a less hands-on approach, baking can also yield a wonderfully crispy burrito. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush the entire surface of your burrito with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil or cooking spray. Place the prepared burrito on a baking sheet. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip it halfway through until it's golden brown and firm to the touch. This creates an evenly crisp exterior. For the ultimate crisp with minimal oil, the air fryer is your best friend. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly spray the entire burrito with cooking oil, ensuring even coverage. Carefully place the burrito into the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping it once halfway through until it's perfectly golden and incredibly crispy. Enjoy your perfectly crunchy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.